Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So today we're actually going on some form of a cruise. It's a day cruise, I believe. I don't think I've ever been on a cruise before, to be quite honest, apart from my kayak. Does that even count? I don't think so. But anyway, we're getting some breakfast really quick at this hotel. This is a breakfast of hash browns, Danish, eggs, turkey sausage, and some baby juice or what. But anyway, you guys get the point. So we're gonna head on the road after we get this breakfast down, and then we'll see what this adventure has to hold, man. I'll tell you guys this really quick. Last night was kind of scary. Last night I felt like I was getting the flu. You know, being in Florida and feeling that way was crazy, but I believe it's because of the whole AC, you know, heat to cold in the room or whatever the case is. But yo, that, bruh. All right, guys, so we are finally where we needed to get to. I was sleeping all the way on the ride down, but yeah, we're on the Lady Chadwick in some bit of water. I don't know if you guys can see back down there. It's more like what you call it, like a mangrove kind of Floridian mangroves. But yeah, we're gonna head out pretty soon, just to give you guys a little feel of the atmosphere. It's a lot more, I think, more veterans kind of on the boat right now, and yeah, it's gonna be a vibe, I hope.
There's 3 dolphins.
Dolphins. Oh, I see one. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, this is what the captain's gonna try to do. We're at very low tides, so we're gonna pick up some speed, try to create a wave in the back, and get those dolphins to jump in the back. Take the other side of the boat and then start jumping. And go to the back. That's probably the first thing to go to the back of the boat.
Yo, isn't that cool? Actually just seeing all those dolphins, yo. Yo, I always see them on movies and stuff, but it's just so magical actually really seeing them, yo. But anyway, I'm at the front of the boat, like I'm doing the Titanic real quick, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're just heading out. It's a little bit chilly, but the first part is that was a fun experience. Light. Lick a hole, bro.
At his eyesight.
See you later.
Catch you later, Carlito.
My pleasure.
Yeah, step like this.
Alright guys, so we finally just got off at Cabbage Key. It's kind of crazy that this island is actually known for cheeseburgers and not cabbage.
I know.
Because Jimmy Buffett actually came over here. Now, one thing we definitely need to do, we definitely want to put that dollar bill on the, is it the bartending area?
I think it's on the bartending area or on the ceiling.
Yeah, it's on the bartending area. What I really like about it is that they say in that bar area, there's about $70,000 just posted up on the wall. And every time a dollar bill falls off, they donate it.
Yep.
So every year, it's like $10,000 to $15,000 that gets donated to, you know, some home type of thing. So that's kind of like a vibe. But yeah, definitely want to check out the burgers really quick and see if it's really good cheeseburgers, man. All right, so the boat just left us just now. They're going off to another island. Yeah, so if we don't meet back here by 1 o'clock, then we're stuck for another day until the boat comes back again. So anyway, let's get this food. I don't know about you guys, but I always love seeing a Christmas tree. It's just something. But anyway, here goes all the dollar bills. Just a bunch of money, yo. All signed up and everything. So much money. And you said that there's more?
Yeah, over there.
Dang, man.
That's the ceiling.
Oh, shoot. Bruv. Look at money. I love it here. It's just a bunch of money. It's just money everywhere, man. At first I was kind of saying $70,000. That seems a bit much.
Oh, it's right.
But it seems legit. It's legit. Alright, so this kind of menu is like when they tell you that there's something popular, that's basically what you're gonna order, right?
Exactly.
The cheeseburger. So that's definitely something I'm gonna order. They say it's really good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with a cheeseburger, maybe something else. Alright, so the burger is here. Looks like a regular burger, I think. So got a bacon cheeseburger, coleslaw. Looks kind of basic, but maybe it doesn't taste that way. Alright. Oh, it's like an open face burger.
For your meal or something.
Oh yeah.
And full.
Yeah, it's a whole lot of burger. This is a really, really, really big burger. I know a lot of my Jamaican people wouldn't like a burger like this because it's a medium. Yeah, it's good, man.
Some ketchup. Ketchup.
It's a medium done burger. You can't change it to rare, but it works. I normally have my burger as medium, so no big deal.
Tasty.
It's good.
Rice burger, man. Yeah, chomping in our mood.
It's very juicy. Really juicy on the inside. I have no complaints. I have no complaints whatsoever. The bread isn't the softest, but it works.
Kaiser roll.
You know what I'm saying? What kind of roll?
Kaiser.
Kaiser rolls? Pretty good. Oh my. Look how much the juices is running out of my hand. That's how juicy the burger is. It's really a juicy burger.
This looks like more than about a pound, half a pound to a pound.
I think so.
3/4.
Wow. for the coleslaw. Me love KFC coleslaw.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Potato salad is okay. Yeah, mustard in it.
I think we're good. That sounds good. Thank you.
It's a good coleslaw. Not my style, but good. Mm-hmm. Good burger.
Wow, it is juicy as hell.
It's juicy. You definitely don't want to put this as a medium or well done. No way.
And the bacon just set it off.
Bacon always set anything off.
I know.
It's really good. Man. Mm.
When I first moved from Jamaica, 20 odd years ago, I would have sent this burger back saying it was undercooked.
You send the burger back?
I would have. Because it has pink. That's just how I grew up, you know, it has to be well done or burnt.
Right.
But now we know better.
A lot of times when I eat food, people go, oh, whatever, I know. It's just like they don't understand, like,
Yeah.
the differences. Like, even like, steak? Bro, you could never give me like a medium,
Yeah.
never, bro. Until one day I made a mistake. I was like, yo, let me try it. It wasn't a mistake, I don't even know how it happened, but the steak came out, and I ate it, I was like, yo, this tastes like pork.
Exactly.
Like, the flavor of the damn thing changed completely. I was like, yo, you know what?
Yeah. We're used to overcooking everything.
Yeah, because I'm usually used to beef. I never liked beef. I thought beef was like dry.
It was always dry.
That's how Jamaicans make it. It's really dry.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. It's super funny how everywhere you go, there's someone having a birthday. But anyhow, we're gonna be posting up this dollar. They say they can get a marker somewhere, and I'm gonna put Soai on it. Chances are, if you come here, you might not see it, but you know, my boy rolled through too. He's like, he gonna drop his K-Star. Drop it, buddy. Hey. All right, so the dollar is taped up. Where will we put it? Where you gonna put yours?
Right here.
That's where you putting yours?
Yes.
Guys, where do you think I should put my dollar? What do you even know? So, if you guys ever by chance get here, this is where K-Stars is. It's crazy. I don't know. I'm just feeling my dollar I'm gonna be cliche. I'm putting my dollar just over here on this wall here beside the trophies. Alright, let's do it. I think I made a dumb move, but whatever. If it falls off, it's going to charity. Alright, soy sauce. Alright guys, we just left that spot just now. Yo, I cannot be the only person. Every time I go to take a whiz, like, I feel like say somebody will look over the banister on me. Like, am I the only person, Kurt, I haven't here?
Yes.
Oh, bro, it's the worst feeling. I just don't like it, man. But anyway, I think we are gonna climb the tower. How much time do we have?
20 minutes.
We got 20 minutes?
Yeah.
It's probably one thing about taking these tour things. Time is the... You ain't gonna do it? Oh, sorry, buddy. All right, we just made it to the top of this little lighthouse thing. It's my first time, I believe, in any form of... I'm videoing.
Mommy,
I like
can
YouTube.
actually stand on the edge of it.
All right, so let me see if we can find Kurt. Kurt! You. I'm here, buddy. It doesn't go any further.
Get down.
Yeah.
Tegan, get down.
It's pretty high up here. and it just gives you a view out there, out on everything.
They have this on all water towers?
Yep.
She was never got on the steps. She was down.
Really isn't much to see, but it's nice.
So we would fall for
All right, let's head back down.
And Zoe, you?
They're in there, and then there's some down below on the hill too, and there's like a big pit with.
Okay.
Here, just let me show you right over here.
Oh,
Publishers have the nest in them, and I think this guy over here on the left, I think, is in some sort of a breeding posture mode because he keeps bobbing his head like some sort of an attractant kind of thing.
oh yeah.
And then there's one over here to the right, and then there's another little enclosure over here on the left as well as, of course, this one here. But they're just all over the place.
So I saw the kid feed them like a flower. They eat that. They like that. That's crazy.
That's nothing like that.
Oh, that. Oh, yo, it's 3 of them.
Yeah.
I thought they're so well camouflaged. Oh, nice.
Somebody already threw in a flower.
They eat those stuff? Oh.
Can't get it.
Oh my god. How did you know they eat them?
Somebody at the restaurant.
Oh, someone in the restaurant told you guys?
Yeah.
Nice. You know what? I never touched a turtle in my life. Now is the time. Well, a tortoise, sorry.
Oh my God.
Hey, buddy. You're like a dinosaur. Yeah, we're currently now in the trail areas which we can't walk because it's like we have like what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Somewhere around 10 minutes left, so it kind of makes no sense. Yeah, we definitely. That's one thing I really don't appreciate about cruise stuff. It's very short.
Hell no. Goodbye.
Please be advised that the nature trails are prone infrequent alligator. Oh my gosh. All right, I think
See ya.
it's been good. Peace. All right, so we're gonna head to the gift shop right now and just take a quick look until the boat comes back. That could be a vibe. Oh, they got a basketball. Oh my God, bro! I can't play basketball to save my life. Alright, so the boat is back already, yo. They are on time. It's ridiculous. There goes our boat there, Lady Chadwick. Okay, back to the boat. That was fun though.
It's fun.
It was pretty fun. Good food. The only downside, wish you had a little bit more time, but not bad. Boat's early, came early. Vibe.
That's right. Hey, Simon, how are you doing? Hey, buddy. Welcome back.
Alright, so the boat has casted away. And yeah, let me tell you, man, them definitely on time. They got here like 5 minutes before 1, and then they're leaving like 5 minutes after 1. So if you missed it, then you definitely missed it. Yep.
Well, welcome back, everybody. Well, because this is everybody, we don't need to go back to.
Alright, so we are docking on the other island to pick up the other people. I'm not gonna lie. Over here to look more uptown than the other one. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we basically came back to the... Yo, I got no sense of direction. So we basically came back to the hotel room about 4 o'clock, got done with the cruise and everything. And then, yo, I got the most beautiful sleep, yo. Slept for about 3-4 hours, bro? Yeah, something like that. So now we are heading to the Olive Garden to go get something to eat. I honestly don't believe I've ever been to the Olive Garden before, but I do hope it's really good food. So Kurt goes, you know, somebody get warm already, so we look for him busy, you put on him jacket or something. Mm-hmm. So I'm like, what? And he goes, he looked up on the wine like, what the hell, bro?
What does red wine do that to?
Alright, so appetizers got here, what's that?
Shrimp scampi.
Shrimp scampi?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what kind of sauce is in this? Like a lemon sauce or just lemon that you squeeze on it?
It's scampi sauce is white wine with lemon.
A lemon. So this is what we got right here. It's pretty good to be honest. Like it's bready and crispy.
It's not heavily breaded.
Nice, a good tang to it, yeah. It's good. I've had shrimp scampi before in New Jersey. It was different.
There's take it because it's shrimp scampi frita. So I don't know if they're fried or something.
Got you.
Regulates in that heavy sauce. It's not breaded.
Got you.
Oh yeah. Tender.
Alright, so we did a split. I got the, what's it again? Chocolate.
Black tie mousse.
Black tie mousse. So I gave Kurt half of mine, and he gave me half of his tiramisu.
Thank you.
You think the tiramisu is better?
Yeah,
I think I'm gonna choose the tiramisu too for some reason. Oh my god, bro.
it is.
This feels like a fat. Yep.
Just the texture.
Texture is a win. Okay, guys. Yep. Tiramisu. All right. I won't lie. The food was pretty good. Good Italian food. I have no complaints. Dessert, tiramisu, the best. Yo, today I must admit was a very great experience. You guys know me already. I like a very calm, chill day with a very grand experience. Something that I might have never done before, no matter how subtle it is. I don't quite remember at any point in time in my life seeing dolphins. Maybe I did, but if I did, it wasn't memorable. Today I definitely will remember that experience. It was great seeing them just swim along with the boat. They just seem to be very friendly species that are just free and just enjoying life. And I think that's just me. I just want to be free and just enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It might just be swimming on the waves of a damn boat. It's crazy, but everybody has different things that makes them happy. You know, trying new food. Today's the first time ever trying the Olive Gardens. And it's these simple things, you know what I'm saying? You could be on this earth for a very long time, have a lot of experience, but then some experiences you just never had. And I think that's just a journey. You know, just going out there, being free, enjoying as much as you can, because you never know how long you'll have on this earth today. This morning I woke up thinking I had the coronavirus. But anyway, guys, thank you for rolling through with me today on this experience. I'm back in the hotel, so I'm just gonna take a nice shower, lay down a bit, watch a movie maybe, and then wait for Kurt to start snoring. Anyway, guys, remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep a link.